If your bath fan light and fan are not working, here are the two most probable causes. There may be a problem with the incoming power supply to the bath fan. First, check the home circuit breaker box to see if a breaker has tripped or a fuse has blown. If the fan motor and light plug into electrical outlets in the bath fan, try plugging another electronic device into the outlet or outlets to see if it's receiving power. You can also use a multimeter to test the outlets to determine if they're receiving voltage. A defective switch could be the reason the light and fan aren't working as well. Depending on the bath fan model, there may be 3 different circuits controlling the fan, light, and heater separately. Determine which switches are controlling the light and fan, then use the multimeter to test the switches for continuity, a continuous electrical path present in the parts. If the switches test negative for continuity in the on position, then you'll need to replace them with new ones to fix the problem. Bath fan light and fan switches are available on our website. Be sure to enter the full model number of your product in our website search bar to find the specific replacement part that will fix your bath fan.